Hey guys, this is me, your host Harsh, and welcome back to the video. And today in this video, we are going to talk about that how you can set up Python coding environment on your Windows system or any other operating system. So I'm gonna use Anaconda distribution for Python installation and Visual Studio Code for ID purpose. So let's get started with the video. So you just have to go to the links I've given you in the description box. When you will gonna click on the link, you will redirect to the page of Anaconda distribution. You just have to click on download here. Anaconda distribution, it just includes all of the Python packages, so you just have to select your operating system, either it is Mac OS or Linux or Windows. You can select any of it, and mine is Windows for right now. You just have to download version 3.7 of Python. You just have to click on 64-bit graphical installer. Just have to click on it. As soon as the downloading started, I have already downloaded it. Let me show you. You can see I have already downloaded the file. I will just click on the file, and now you will see that it will stop. Make sure you are connected to internet connection for the safer side. If it needs to download anything, it can. Okay, now you just have to click on next. Just accept all the terms, and you can select all user, or let me. I'm selecting all user for the root privilege and click on next. And now you will have to click on yes. Pop-up window will be appear. Wait for some time. Yeah, got it. Just have to click on next. Destination folder you have to select. You just need 3 GB of. You just have to select the first option also. Add Anaconda to the path environment. You can just to click on install, and yeah, it will take too much time to get installed. I'm just pausing the video, and I'll catch you when it get completed. Okay. So as of now, you can see that it's pretty much installed on a Windows PC. You just have to click on next, and you can select click on next, and then yeah, you have to just deselect all of the things. If you don't want to learn about Anaconda, I'm gonna tell you how to click on finish. Just close the browser, and just have to go to start, and now you can see Anaconda navigator. You can open it and see till the time you can install a Python script which can using which you can manages all the Python packages. So for that you just have to download the file, and you just have to go to your cmd and type python get pip.py where you have to. You just have to first of all navigate to the folder where you have downloaded this file, and just after that you have to type python get pip. So let me show it to you. Now you just have to type python get dash pip. You can see the name get pip.py, and you have to hit enter. It will just start installing it as soon as possible with your internet connection, depending on your internet connection. And after it get installed, you just have to close it and go to your next step, which I'm going to tell you further on the video. So now I'll tell you that how you can set up an coding environment for Python. This is Visual Studio Code. This is an free to use software from Microsoft. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. You can download it for all of the operating system. You just have to click on System Installer 64-bit. I have already downloaded it. Let me show you. And now I'll just click on this. And now let me open the file. And you have to double click on the file. It will start the setup of Visual Studio Code. The benefit of using Visual Studio Code is that it supports all of the languages. You can also install it from the Anaconda navigator. You just have to click on install, or you can just simply go to the official website and download the .exe file. Yeah, then it will just load the installer. As you can see, just have to click on next, and I accept the terms, and click on next, then next. Don't read all of those files. Just have to click on create a desktop icon for your better convenience. Click on install. It will start installing the files. It will take not much time, as you can see. So before opening your Visual Studio Code, you have to do one thing, that you have to right click on this PC and click on properties, and then you have to click on advanced system settings. Then you have to click on informant and you have to select path and click on edit. Now you just have to add this Anaconda folder location here if it is not present already there. If you have selected the first option during the installation, you don't have to do this step. If you don't, you have to do this step. You just have to add by clicking on new, and you have to add c colon slash program files slash anaconda 3, and you have to click on ok, and then you can click on ok and apply, and just you can close all of the windows you have opened. Now you can open your Visual Studio Code for setup. Now you can see it looks like something like this. You just have to click on the last from the title sidebar, and you just have to type Python here for installing Python language support. And you can also select download all other extensions just by typing the name of the extension. And now I'll also download Anaconda. You can also search for Python. It will show you all of the related extensions to the Python, and you can install any of it depending on your need. And you can also install Anaconda extension pack for getting a better experience in Visual Studio Code while coding in Python. You can also, yeah, you can also type here Anaconda, and as you can see, you have to click on install. It will get installed as soon as possible depending upon your internet connection. And now I'll tell you, this is optional. You can install a theme called Bundark Pro. Will give you a very good dark theme that I personally use. I'm just recommending you. You can. It's not mandatory. You can select One Dark Pro Vivid for a very good experience. And now you can just create a new file here. Open any of the folder. You can create new file here. Source type, you can select Python. Here select Python and just click on save. Now you can see a file named with.py. It's Python extension. Yeah, you have to print its print syntax. To just type print, and yeah, you have parenthesis and then semicolon, and you have to just type what you want to print. Just do this thing, save the file. First of all, you have to save the file, and just you can click on open in terminal. You can also do one thing. In order to run your program, you just have to click on debug, start debugging. You just have to select Python file, and you just have to click on start debugging. It will start debugging your program, and it will show you the output here. Right here you will see hey man, printed hey man, which we have typed inside the print. It's a command that you can see here. It just printed hey man. It just printed hey man, as you can see what we have written inside this print statement. Yeah, it's pretty much simple, or you can just open it in terminal so that you can use it. And you have to just click save, and you can close your systems and all everything. So I hope that you might have enjoyed the video. Just so like the video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I'm going to teach you Python, CSS, and much more web development related programming languages. So subscribe my channel for that, and some cool videos are on the way, so stay tuned for that. Share this video with your friend. This is me, your host Harsh, and I'm signing out. Bye bye.